Hello, I'm Shruti Agarwal and I'm working in the field of data science in my current job. I joined this program because I wanted to strengthen my expertise in data science and AI, but also elevate my career in the field of analytics. The course helped me to refresh all the theoretical concepts around statistical machine learning, but also really exposed me to the case studies in which I could step into the shoes of senior leadership. I could plan the customer journeys and evaluate the impacts of the decisions that I am taking. This course really helped me to plan my career in which I aspire to build and lead data science team in companies, and the course gave me the much needed experience around scenarios which I can face in my future. I would recommend this course to anyone who wants to make a real impact in business analytics, because the course does not only improve your technical understanding but also provides you strategic thinking and will enable you to solve real business problems.